of water. Okay, ready? Okay, tell me when it's full. Full, okay, good. All right, there we go. It is full of water. Everybody can see it? Yeah, well, it's a little less full than it was. That's fine. All right, now that we've filled this one, I want to fill this one. All right. See? Water filled that one. Now it's filled. Is this one full? No. How come the water filled this one, but not this one? It's what? Because it's bigger. Right. This one holds a lot more water. In fact, it holds more water than I have in that one. So, wow. Here's why I'm showing you this. You may have noticed, Christina here is a little bigger than some of the other people we baptize at the baptismal font there. Lots of times, they're just little babies. Now, you might think, you know, a little baby, how much faith can you pour into a little baby? You know, how much can they believe about Jesus and about God and all, whatever, you know? Not a lot. Not a lot. But you can also say, you know, they have as much faith as they can handle right now. In some ways they're learning to trust. They're learning to trust their parents. They're learning to trust that their parents are going to love them the way God will love them. They may not understand that. Now Christina, she's a little older, so she's got a little more room for faith. And now she's coming up today because she's saying that she is filled with the faith that God has given her. Now, and our hope for both a little baby that may come up here and for Christina is that they continue to grow in their ability to have more faith, to believe God more and trust in Him more and live out of that faith more and more. So we can all, I mean, that's what we hope for all of us. But we don't say that baptism is just for people who can hold big pitchers of water. We say, because, you know what? It's not about how much faith we have. Baptism is about the faithfulness Jesus had. Jesus, I mean, He could hold oceans of water with His faith, his trust in God and in God's ways. And Jesus invites us to come and be baptized and to join Him in our baptism and in the hope that we belong to God. That's why we can come to the water, regardless how big or how small we are. All right, so now, is there a question there? Or you just wait? Oh, yeah. Okay. Sorry. All right, so now, here we get a chance to see our friend Christina. And she's testified to the faith that she has, but now we get to see that because of Christ's faithfulness, she too is a full member of God's family.